Welcome dear students. Till now we completed practice set 1 and practice set 2. I think remaining sum from the practice set 1 and practice set 4.2 you completed. Now we have to start with problem set 4. Some questions from the problem set 4 we have to solve today. See, the question number first is MCQ based. You can solve it very easily. Now the question number 4 we have to start. In this, first we have to read the question. Draw a circle of a diameter 6.4 centimeter. Draw a circle of diameter 6.4 centimeter. Dear student, radius is not given, diameter is given. Be careful about this. Take a point R at a distance equal to the diameter from the center. We have to take a point R. R point is at a distance of diameter from the center. Diameter is 6.4 centimeter. That means the position of point R is 6.4 centimeter from the center of a circle. Draw a tangent from point R. Dear student, we have already solved such type of questions. When the point is outside the circle, dear student, we can draw two tangents to the circle. Therefore, first of all, dear student, we have to draw a analytical figure. As all of you know that, first of all, we have to draw a circle of given radius. Dear student, in this case, this is a center and center is supposed to be S, and dear student, radius is not given, diameter is given. Therefore, we can write here diameter is equal to 6.4 centimeter, and therefore, dear student, radius R is equal to half of diameter, that is 3.2 centimeter. Now dear student, we have to show this diameter or the radius. Here this is a radius and it is 3.2 centimeter. From this point S, we have to take a point R which is equal to the diameter. That means, see here, dear student, we have to take a one ray and here it is point R. Now dear student, from this point R, we have to draw a tangent. And dear student, when the point is outside the circle, all of you know that we can draw two tangents to the circle like this. This is an analytical figure. Now we have to draw the final figure. Now see dear student, first of all, radius is not given. We find out the radius and radius is 3.2 centimeter. Therefore, first of all, we have to take a distance of 3.2 centimeter. See dear student, here it is 0 and here it is 3.2. This much distance we have to take in a compass. Put the metal point on one point and a pencil point on another. Now the distance between these 2 points is 3.2 centimeter. Therefore, dear student, draw a circle of given radius like this. This is a circle of radius 3.2 centimeter. Center, this is S, and radius is 3.2 centimeter. Now next step is we have to draw a one ray like this from the center like this, and we have to plot the point R which is 6.4 centimeter from the center. Therefore, dear student, first of all we have to take a distance of 6.4 centimeter. Therefore, like this, see here one point is there and here it is 6.4. Now take this distance in a compass like this, put the metal point on one point and pencil point on another point. Now dear student, put the metal point on S, which is the center, and here our point is point R. Now we have to draw the tangent passing through this R. For that purpose, dear student, we have to draw the perpendicular bisector of this segment SR. For that purpose, take a distance more than half. Make a one arc on this side like this. Make the another arc on this side. Put the metal point on R and draw the intersecting arc. Keep the same distance and draw the intersecting arc to the previous arc. Then, dear student, draw the line joining these two arcs like this. Dear student, I have already explained you that the position of this perpendicular bisector is depend upon the distance of this point R from the center. The distance of point R from the center is equal to diameter, then it touches the circle. In this case, the distance of point R from the center is equal to the diameter. Therefore, this is like this. If the distance is less than the diameter, then inside the circle, and when it is more than the diameter, then it is outside the circle. I have already explained you this. Now, what we have to do? This is supposed to be a point M, and put the metal point on M. Then adjust the pencil point to the center of a circle. Then see here, same distance is there. Now we have to draw the arc, or we can draw the circle like this. Now dear student, see, this is a point A and this is the point B. This arc intersect the circle at point A. Join this R with A. This is one tangent passing through the point R. Join this R with B. This is the another point, another tangent to the circle. Dear student, this distance is 6.4 centimeter. I have already explained you. These RA and RB are called as a tangent segment, and when the tangent segment drawn from the exterior point are congruent, we can verify this property here also. See, this distance is equal. This distance is equal to the distance RA like this. Got it? Therefore, dear student, here we can prove the tangent segment drawn from the exterior point are congruent. I think everyone understood this. Now we have to start with the next sum. Dear student, let's start with the next sum, that is question number 5th one. Draw a circle with center P. Draw a circle with center P. Draw an arc of AB of 100-degree measures. Draw tangents to the circle at point A and B. Dear student, see, draw a circle with center P. That means center of a circle is given, but the radius is not mentioned. That means we have to draw a circle of any radius. Then draw an arc AB of 100-degree we have to draw one arc. The name of arc is AB and the measure is 100 degree. Draw tangent to the circle at point A and B. Passing through that point A and B, we have to draw the tangents. Dear student, this question is most important. Here one new concept is there about the how to draw the arc of given measure. Got it? Very simple, but it is important one. First of all, we have to draw a analytical figure. For that purpose, we have to draw one circle. Like this, we completed one circle. Here, suppose O is the center of a circle. And now, see here, draw an arc AB of 100 degree measures. We have to draw arc. Dear student, all of you know about the arc. See, suppose I take point here A and here B. These 2 points. Then this part is known as the arc. Got it? And the measure of this arc must be 100 degree. Now dear student, all of you know that if I join this center with the end point of this arc, this center with the end point of this arc, then at the center one angle is formed, and all of you know that this angle is known as a central angle. Got it? This angle is known as a central angle, and measure of this arc is equal to the measure of its central angle. Dear students, suppose AB is a one arc. A and B are the end point of that arc. If these end points are joined with the center, then at the center one angle is formed, and that angle is known as a central angle. And dear student, there is a relation between the measure of this arc with the measurement of this central angle. The measure of this arc is equal to the measure of its corresponding central angle. That means if we have to draw the measure of this arc 100 degree, we must have to draw the angle of 100 degree at the center. Got it? We have to draw the arc of 100 degrees Celsius. For that purpose, we have to draw the central angle of 100 degree. Got it? Dear student, this is 100 degree. Now, another concept, next step is that we have to draw a tangent passing through the point A and B. Dear student, if we have to draw the tangent passing through the point which is on a center, we have to produce this further like this. Then OB we have to produce like this, and then we have to draw the perpendicular bisector from passing through the point A. Then here we can draw a tangent like this. This is a one tangent, and this is a tangent passing through this. Therefore, dear student, we got here two tangents passing through A and passing through B. Dear student, important concept is how to draw the arc of given measure. Listen here, this is the minor arc, and measure of minor arc is equal to the measure of its central angle. Therefore, for construction of the arc of given measure, we have to construct the central angle of the given measure. Now, dear student, we have to go to the final figure. Now, see, I repeat, measure of central angle concept is most important. If you understand that, then it is very easy. Now, dear student, it is not mentioned how much radius is there, therefore we can take any sufficient distance and then we can draw a circle. This is a center O. Now, dear student, at the point O, we have to make an angle of 100 degree. For that purpose, see dear student, we have to draw one radius. Here it is point A, Then at the point O, we have to draw the angle of 100 degree. Therefore, put this point or at the center and line on the radius and measure this 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 89. This is 100. See dear student, this construction is a important one. How to draw the arc of given measure. This is point B. Dear student, we can produce this, extend this further like this, and this also we have to extend. Now see here, this angle is of 100 degree, therefore the measure of this arc is also 100 degree. Now dear student, from passing through this point A and B, we have to draw the tangents. Therefore put the metal point on B, take a distance less than the radius like this, make one arc on this side, another arc on the another side. Got it? Now put the metal point on this arc, not on a center. Put the metal point on an arc, not on a center. Take a more than half distance, make one arc here, another arc on this side, put the metal point on another arc and make the intersecting arc. Dear students, see, like this we have to join this arc. Join this, then we will get a one tangent. Now we have to draw the another tangent passing through the point A. Therefore take a distance, suitable distance, and make two arcs like this. Put the metal point on here, take a more than half, from here one arc and from here another arc. Put the metal point on this arc and draw the intersecting arc to the previous one like this and join this. We will get the another tangent. Dear student, see here, we got one tangent passing through the point A, another tangent passing through the point B, and dear student, here it is the point of intersection is supposed to be P. Dear student, see here, this is the central angle, it is 100 degree. Here it is tangent radius perpendicularity 90 degree, this is 90 degree. These two angles, sum of these two angles is 180 degree, they are supplementary. Therefore these are also supplementary. This angle is 100 degree, then measure of this angle is 80 degree. Got it? These are the OBPA is a cyclic quadrilateral and the opposite angle of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. Measure of this angle is 100 degree, measure of this angle P is 80 degree. Got it? Sum of these two angles should be 80 degree. Now dear students, see here we completed the question number 4, question number 5th. Now we have to start with the question number 6th one. Dear student, see the question number 6th one. Draw a circle of radius 3.4 cm and center E. Draw a circle of radius 3.4 cm and center E. Take point F on the circle. Take another point A such that E dash F dash A. that means point F lies between E and A. And second condition is AF is equal to 4.1 centimeter. Draw a tangent to the circle from point A. Dear student, simple, very easy. Suppose we have to draw a circle of given radius. First of all, we have to draw the analytical figure. See dear students, like this we have to draw a circle of given radius 3.4 centimeter. Center is E. Take a point F on a circle. Suppose I take point F over here on a circle. Take another point A such that E dash F dash A. E dash F dash A, that means point F lies between E and A. Another condition is that AF is equal to 4.1 centimeter. That means distance of point A from F. See dear student, this is EF. We extend this further and we have to plot the point F, but AF is equal to 4.1. Therefore from F this distance is 4.1 and this is point A. This distance is 4.1 centimeter. And draw tangent to the circle from the point A. That means point A is outside the circle, and from this point A we have to draw the two tangent to the circle. Yes student, like this. Now what we have to do? We have to do the procedure of drawing the tangent when the point is outside the circle. Now see dear student, this is analytical figure. Now we have to draw the final figure. First of all, we have to draw the circle of given radius. Radius is 3.4 centimeter. Therefore we have to take a distance of 3.4 centimeter in a compass. Radius is 3.4. This is 0 and 3.4. We have to draw a circle of given radius. Point E, radius is 3.4. Now we have to draw one ray like this. Here it is point F, and from this point F we have to plot the point A, which is 4.1 centimeter. Therefore we have to take a distance of 4.1. This is 0 and here it is 4.1. Put the metal point on F and draw the arc. This is point A and this distance is 4.1 centimeter. Now dear student, passing through this point passing through this point A. We have to draw the tangent to the circle. Now point A is outside the circle, therefore put the metal point on E. Take a distance more than half. Make one arc on upper side, another on. Then put the metal point on point A. Draw the intersecting arc. Now dear students, see the position of this segment. Position of this line is outside the circle because distance of the point from the center is more than the diameter. Got it? This is a perpendicular bisector. This is point M. Now put the metal point on M. Pencil point on E like this and draw the arc. Draw the arc to the circle. See here we have to draw the like this. Got it? Now this circle intersect the circle. This point is supposed to be a B and here it is point C. Now dear student, join this A with B. And join this A with C. These are the two tangents to the circle passing through the point A, which is 4.1 centimeter from this point F. This point F is here, and from this F the distance is 4.1 centimeter, radius is 3.4 centimeter. Now dear student, all of you understood this. Now we have to start with question number 7th one. Dear student, see the question number 7th one. Triangle ABC, similar triangle LBN. In triangle ABC, AB is equal to 5.1 centimeter. Angle B is 40 degree. BC is 4.8 centimeter. And AC upon LN is equal to 4 upon 7. Construct triangle ABC and triangle LBN. Dear student, when construction of similar triangle is there, at that time we have to see the vertex of the triangle. Here ABC and LBN. That means one vertex is common. Therefore, dear student, this construction is of common vertex. Therefore, see, first of all, what we have to read the question again. These two triangles are similar. Measurements of triangle ABC are given. And we have to construct both the triangle ABC and LBN. Dear student, first of all, see the ratio. AC upon LN is equal to 4 upon 7. AC upon LN is 4 upon 7. That means length AC is 4. Suppose it is 4 and LN is 7. That means triangle AC is a side of triangle ABC and LN is a side of corresponding side of triangle LBN. It is 7. Therefore, triangle ABC is a smaller triangle and triangle LBN is the bigger triangle. And dear student, first of all, we have to construct the analytical figure. See, BC 4.8 is given and angle B is 40 degree. Angle B is 40 degree. Therefore, dear student, we can draw the base 4.8 centimeter like this. This is BC. It is 4.8 centimeter. Then at the point B, the angle is of 40 degree. Therefore, we can draw the angle like this. It is 40 degree. Then this join this A with C. Therefore triangle ABC is like this. And dear student, see ABC, here LBN triangle is there. For that purpose what we have to produce this BC further like this, and this AB also we have to extend like this and join this. This is point L, B, and here it is N. Therefore dear student, see ABC and LBN, these two triangles with common vertex are there. Now dear student, we have to do the construction. First of all, we have to draw the BC of length 4.8. Dear student, AB is 5.1 centimeter. Therefore dear student, first of all we have to draw the base BC. How much it is? It is 4.8 centimeter. This is point B, here it is C, and here it is 4.8 centimeter. Dear student, at the point B, the angle is of 40 degree. Therefore, we have to draw the angle of 40 degree like this. Produce this further. This BC also we have to produce because we have to draw the triangle LBN also, and point B and L and N we have to produce. This is point C. Now dear student, this angle is of 40 degree. First of all we have to find out the position of point A. AB is 5.1 centimeter. Therefore dear student, we have to take a distance of 5.1 centimeter in a compass. See, here it is 0 and here it is 5.1. Therefore put the metal point and put the metal point on B and draw the arc like this, and this is point A. Join this A with C. Now dear student, this is 5.1 centimeter. Dear student, we completed the first part. Triangle ABC is over. Now we have to draw the triangle LBN. Now for that purpose, at the point B we have to draw an acute angle like this. We have to draw one ray like this, and we have to make how many parts? See the ratio. The ratio is 4:7. 7 parts are bigger, therefore we have to divide this into the 7 parts. Now see, take a sufficient distance, put the metal point on B and draw the intersecting arc like this. Keep the same distance, put the metal point on an arc, draw the another arc. Like this we have to draw the 7 arc. See dear student, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is B1, B2, B3, B4, B5, B6 and B7. Now dear student, see, this BC is 4 part. Therefore this C with this B4 we have to join. The ratio is 4:7. That means this BC is a 4 and BN is a 7. Therefore this C we have to join with 4 parts. Therefore this BC we have to join with B4 like this. Now dear student, from this B7 we have to draw a parallel line to this line. Therefore process of congruent angle we have to do. Put the metal point on B, take a sufficient distance and make the arc like this. Now put the metal point on B7, then draw the arc like this. Now take this much distance and put the metal point on this arc which intersect the ray, and now join this B7 and this arc. Now dear student, these two lines are parallel with each other. This angle and this angle are corresponding angle, and corresponding angles are congruent. Now this point is point N. Now dear student, at the point C, AC is there. From this N we have to draw the parallel to this AC, and again we have to do the construction of congruent angles, because corresponding angles are congruent when the two lines are parallel. Therefore take a sufficient distance, make an arc like this, put the metal point on N and make the arc like this. Then put the metal point on this arc, take this much distance and put this metal point over here and draw the intersecting arc. Then join this. Now this is our point L. Therefore dear student, this angle and this angle are congruent because they are corresponding angles. Therefore dear student, see ABC and LBN, these are the required triangles. Dear students, see the figure carefully, then try to construct the figure in your notebook. Dear student, here we completed the chapter number 4, geometric construction. The remaining sum from the problem set, try to solve yourself and do the practice. If you do the practice, then you were able to draw the construction accurately and neatly. Thank you.